Hello, good morning from a quite literally freezing, frosty Friday the 22nd. I'm FX Blue and this is the market brief. So the post-Brexit niggles continue. While it might sound like a setup for a reaction video, London is refusing to recognise the EU ambassador to the UK. The EU is apparently not a sovereign state as defined by the UN, so the ambassador can't present his credentials to the Queen. World-class post-Brexit bans, right? Meanwhile, the UK secured a deal with Nissan that could provide around 6,000 direct jobs and as many as 70,000 within the supply chain. And there's also been trade deal progress with several major economies, but the real focus has to remain on a new trade deal with the US, as that could really move the needle for the short-term UK prospects. Back home, Sunak is under pressure to extend the furlough scheme even further. Yesterday, Boris and Priti Patel were on, insisting that it is not yet time to even discuss removing restrictions. This, of course, adds to the view that the current lockdown may well be extended past mid-February. In the market, sterling rallied a little against the dollar. We touched 137.20, but we pulled back a little from that high and we opened this morning around 136.75. So Biden's been busy. On his first day, he reversed several of his predecessors' policies, recommitting to the Paris Climate Accord and the World Health Organization, while also removing and withdrawing emergency funding for that Mexican wall. An employment initiative is much needed though, and we are expecting one to be introduced soon. That of course follows weekly jobless claims, which remained stubbornly high yesterday with 900,000 new claims. Another big test for Biden will be what to do with China. They've been slow to act on their side of phase one of the US-China trade deal, and perhaps this relationship is yet another that could benefit from a more inclusive approach from the new administration. In the Eurozone, as expected, the ECB concluded with no action, and the relatively normal statement from Christine Lagarde confirming that the bank will continue to watch things and remains committed to further stimulus if necessary. Pretty boring stuff there, I'm afraid. The euro did rally a little against a slightly weaker dollar, but stayed within the recent range. Euro dollar touched 121.75. We kick off this morning ever so slightly lower, around 121.60. Right, that's it from me, capping off another week. Hope you have a great weekend. Watch out for black ice. All the best.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FX Blue.